So today I'm making an update video on the Swordfish 2nd edition knife that I forgot to mention on the first video. You can open this automatically. There's this little thing right here. You could just push it back and then the knife opens like that. And to put it back, you just move this and put it back. So there's a spring here that enables you to open the knife. So just like that. So now it's pretty stable. And if you want to put it back, I think you just push back on this a little bit and push this thing to the left to close it. So if you just open it, you could open it like this as well. Just push it back and then just put it forward like that. If you do that, the blade isn't very stable. I mean, it's not on there firmly. As you can see, it's kind of like shaking. So you do have to kind of like use the lever to fully open it and have the blade stable. So this spring thing moves all the way to the right, as you can see. So in order to get it back in, you could use a little more force and push it this way, or you could just push this blade back a little bit down and push this to the left, and that should work as well. So yes, you can use this knife as a self-defense weapon because you can open it up pretty quickly. And that's what I want to share with you today. If you have any thoughts or questions, you can leave it in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.